So you are working hard, but you still feel behind. Why does it feel that you always seem to be playing catch up, even though you are working non-stop? I've realized that working hard these days is not enough. I realized I needed something scalable, something with leverage, something that grows even when I'm busy. And guess what? I found it. The number one business opportunity in 2025. It's simple, it's online, and it fits with my retirement plans. I want you to put ready in the comments if you are open to learning more. By bridging the gap and working in the comfort of your home. You need to be coachable, teachable, and consistent, and a burning desire to succeed. Time wasters, this is not for you. This is for people who are dead serious in making changes to their financial situation.